Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to change network in Trust Wallet. Now let us begin. Do you know that I have already installed the application and added my wallet? In case you have not, do it right now. We have created a tutorial regarding that as well. Now let's simply look at how to change the network. At the top, you can see the search button right here. Click on it right now. And guys, right now, as you can see, currently it is on all networks. Right now, I just want to change it. Simply click on the drop down associated with it. Now from here, what you guys can do is simply select the network of your choice. Let's say I'm gonna select Litecoin right now. And guys, that is it. As you can see, my network has been changed. That is it guys. That's how we change network in Trust Wallet. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. If you have any problems, do comment below. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.